In the heart of a burning desert, elite warriors rise armed not just with weapons, but with Amazon-ready tech that turns them into unstoppable forces. Tactical smartwatches pulse with real-time GPS and vitals, guiding soldiers through the chaos of combat and the unforgiving terrain. Under the blazing sun, solar-powered hydration packs keep them alive, pumping life into every step across the dunes. As darkness falls, the mission doesn't pause. Night vision goggles light up the shadows, exposing enemies that lurk in silence. Explosions tear through the desert air, but these soldiers don't flinch, they advance. Even under fire, their long-range walkie-talkies keep every unit connected, every move coordinated. Compact drones unfold and launch into the sky, scanning danger before boots ever touch the sand. Multi-tools snap open in a blur, making life-saving fixes in the field under blistering heat. When power is scarce, portable solar chargers keep their tech alive, even as the desert swallows the sun. And through it all, one soldier stands tall, his helmet's HUD glowing, thermal scope scanning the horizon. One soldier, one mission, one shot. Operation Thunderbolt begins now.